Did you know there are different types of yogurt culture with different health benefits? Will you believe I made this thick creamy yogurt using 14 cups of milk and just one sachet of yogurt culture? Before we go into the difference, what is yogurt culture? Yogurt culture is the blend of good bacteria that is added to milk to turn it into yogurt. When these bacteria are mixed with warm milk, they feed on the natural sugar in the milk called lactose. As they feed, they produce lactic acid, which thickens the milk and give yogurt a slightly tangy taste. Without yogurt culture, milk will remain milk and will not become yogurt. Think of yogurt culture as the starter that begins the yogurt making process. Just the way yeast helps bread to rise, yogurt culture helps milk to transform into yogurt. Now listen to this. Some yogurt culture contains only basic bacteria needed to make yogurt, while others contains additional probiotic bacteria that might provide external digestive and gut health benefits. That's why you will see different types of yogurt culture in the market, even though they all makes yogurt. These are the two most common yogurt culture you will find in the market: the orange yogurt culture and the green yogurt culture that contains probiotics. Of course, both of them can turn milk into yogurt, but they don't provide the same health benefits. The orange yogurt culture contains the regular yogurt bacteria needed to ferment milk and make yogurt. It is also not expensive. You can find it in any baking store in the market. The green yogurt culture, on the other hand, contains probiotic, which is life beneficial bacteria that helps support gut health, digestion, and overall wellness. So if you are making yogurt mainly for your health benefit, the green probiotic culture is a great choice. But if you are making yogurt for sale and you are looking for a more cost-effective option that will still give you a thick, delicious yogurt, then the orange culture is better option for you. Now that we know the difference, I will be sharing a complete step-by-step series on how to make a perfect Greek yogurt, crunchy homemade granola, delicious parfait, and refreshing zobo drinks. Whether you are making them for your family for extra income or you are planning to start a profitable Greek yogurt, zobo, or granola business, this series is for you. And yes, I will also tell you where to sell them. So make sure to click the subscribe button. Bye.